If you're in tech and you think your job is safe, you're either in denial or you're not paying attention. AI doesn't need to get perfect to take your role. It just needs to be fast, cheap, and good enough for the person making the decision, and that's not you. I've built a startup, hired 30 people, led product, tech, ops. I've fought for code quality. I've given talk on performance, and now I'm watching AI rewrite features faster than junior devs. It's not always clean, that's for sure, but it's fast, and business sees fast. This video isn't fear porn, it's a heads up. AI is improving exponentially fast. Some highly technical roles still have years, some have months. But today I'll show you 5 roles that are already being replaced or downgraded. And if you're in one of these, you don't have to panic, but you do need to pivot. Basic UI UX builders. Tools like Framer, Webflow, or even GPT-4 with vision input are removing the need for raw HTML, CSS, JS. AI is generating full, responsive layouts from screenshots. Design to code is getting faster than dev to code. And startups are replacing junior front-end roles with AI plus one generalist setup. Of course, it needs tweaking. Of course, the generated code is not optimal for experts, but it's more than enough for many businesses, and it's improving day after day. So if your job is turning Figma into HTML, AI already does that. Junior backend developers. Simple CRUD APIs now are scaffolded in seconds. Here I am prompting Claude to create a fast API backend, Pydantic validation, and using SQL Alchemy ORM. I don't even have to specify the column types. AI can now handle request routing, basic validation, and ORM boilerplate. You're not irreplaceable if your job is writing endpoints to a DB schema. Tech support and QA. AI can now diagnose stack traces, reproduce bugs, and write test cases. LLMs are now embedded into support chat layers, for instance in Duolingo or in Notion. Entire level 1 support roles are replaced. We can now use AI to analyze stacks, traces, logs, commit history, automatically pinpoint root causes, and even open PRs with suggested fixes. QA automation is now handled by AI-gen unit integration test scripts. For instance, Amazon provides a tool called Amazon Q Developer that offers a /test command in IDEs such as VS Code or JetBrains. It automatically generates unit tests, including mocks and stubs. So if your job is try to break the system and report it, AI is already better and cheaper. Data cleaning and ETL roles. GPT-4 plus Code Interpreter, which is now Advanced Data Analysis, can handle CSV cleaning, transformation, and basic joins. Some tools are replacing data analysts with chat-to-SQL features. Here I created a demo CSV with e-commerce data. I can enter a plain English question and get fully formed SQL queries. Other tools can also be connected directly to your database. Vana, for instance, trains a private SQL agent with 2 commands and then query your own data conversationally. Oh, and it's open source. We're entering a no-code data ops era. Run Product Manager plus a GPT. So if your value is I write Python to clean spreadsheets, well, you've got 6 months ahead. Maybe. DevOps and tooling syncing. Infrastructure as code is getting one click. CI/CD pipelines can be scaffolded in GPT and plugins. Mid-sized companies are moving to platform as a service plus AI maintained infra. That's called Internal Developer Platform or IDPs. Some tools like Tailjet or Duplo Cloud use AI-driven workflows to provision cloud infrastructure, manage security, and even enforce compliance. So what used to be a team of 2 or 3 is now 1 lead plus AI and pre-built templates. And if you spend your day tweaking YAML, Terraform, or Docker files manually, AI is learning faster than your shipping. The issue is not whether AI can write perfect code or not. It's whether it can write good enough code faster than you. And guess what? That's already true for almost 80% of tickets. And most clients, startups, middle manager, they won't notice the difference. But here is what AI doesn't touch: leadership, judgment, conflict resolution, human trust, ownership, clarity under pressure. The one thing AI will never do is lead a team of humans through uncertainty. And if you want to protect your job, you don't need to learn a new language. You need to step into the one role AI can touch: leadership. Oh, and by the way, I made a second video, 3 things you can do now to stop AI from kicking you out of your own seat. Link is in the description.